Welcome, everyone, to this exciting idea on crafting creative wooden art ideas. In today's video, we'll explore the limitless possibilities of transforming humble wood into stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces that will captivate and inspire. Woodworking has long been a cherished art form, allowing us to harness the natural beauty and versatility of this timeless material. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a beginner eager to dive into the world of wooden art, this video will provide you with the insights and techniques to unleash your creativity. So, grab your tools, and let's get started on creating something truly remarkable. Selecting the right wood. The foundation of any great wooden art piece lies in the choice of wood. Each species offers its own distinct grain patterns, colors, and inherent properties, and understanding these nuances can greatly enhance your creative potential. For example, softer woods like pine or cedar lend themselves well to intricate carving and detailed designs, while harder woods like oak or walnut provide a more robust canvas for bold, sculptural pieces. Exotic hardwoods, such as zebrawood or padauk, can also add a stunning visual flair with their vibrant hues and captivating grain variations. As you explore your options, consider the overall aesthetic you're aiming for, the level of detail you want to achieve, and the structural demands of your project. This careful selection of wood will set the stage for the artistic journey ahead. Mastering woodworking techniques. With the right wood in hand, it's time to dive into the heart of the creative process, the woodworking techniques that will bring your vision to life. While the specific methods may vary depending on your project, there are several fundamental skills that every aspiring wooden artist should possess. One of the most versatile and essential techniques is wood carving. Using carving tools like chisels, knives, and gouges, you can sculpt intricate patterns, shapes, and even three-dimensional forms directly into the wood. This hands-on approach allows for a level of artistic expression that simply can't be replicated through other means. In addition to carving, techniques like wood turning, marquetry, and pyrography, wood burning, can all be employed to create stunning visual effects and textures. Mastering the use of power tools, such as jigsaws, routers, and sanders, can also open up a world of new possibilities for your wooden art projects. As you progress through this video, we'll delve deeper into these techniques, sharing expert tips and guiding you through practical demonstrations to help you hone your skills and unlock your full creative potential. Inspirational wooden art examples. Now, let's take a moment to explore some truly inspiring examples of wooden art that will ignite your imagination and push the boundaries of what you thought was possible. Intricate wood carvings featuring animals, mythical creatures, or abstract designs. Stunning wood-turning creations, including bowls, vases, and sculptural forms. Mesmerizing marquetry artworks with intricate inlays and patterns. Captivating wood-burned designs that blend realism and abstract elements. Large-scale wood sculptures that transform public spaces. Unique wooden wall art, such as geometric patterns or organic shapes. As you witness the incredible craftsmanship and creativity behind these works, let them serve as a source of inspiration for your own artistic endeavors. Observe the techniques employed, the attention to detail, and the ways in which the artists have elevated the humble medium of wood into true works of art. Unleash your creativity. Getting started. Now that you've seen the incredible possibilities of wooden art, it's time to take the first step and begin your own creative journey. Whether you're starting with a simple wood carving or aiming to create a large-scale sculpture, the key is to embrace the process and enjoy the journey. Begin by exploring your local woodworking supply store or browsing online for the materials and tools that align with your project ideas. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new techniques. The beauty of wooden art is that each piece is truly unique, and the process of discovery is half the fun. As you embark on your wooden art adventure, remember to approach it with patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your successes, and most importantly, have fun. With each project, You'll gain invaluable experience and develop your own distinctive artistic style. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your tools, select your wood, and let's start creating something truly remarkable together. While the traditional routes of wood carving, turning, and marquetry are well established, the world of wooden art is constantly evolving. Today, we'll explore some unique mediums and techniques that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this timeless material. One fascinating avenue to consider is the use of wood veneers. By layering and manipulating thin sheets of wood, artists can create breathtaking collages, intricate patterns, and even 3D sculptural forms. The endless variety of wood species, grains, and colors opens up a world of creative possibilities. Another innovative approach is the incorporation of reclaimed and repurposed wood. By giving new life to discarded or salvaged lumber, you can imbue your wooden art with a sense of history and sustainability. From weathered barnwood to recycled shipping pallets, the character and imperfections of these materials can lend a one-of-a-kind charm to your creations. For those seeking a more technological edge, the integration of digital fabrication tools, such as CNC routers and laser cutters, can unlock breathtaking geometric patterns and intricate designs. By blending the precision of digital workflows with the warmth and texture of wood, you can push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of wooden art. The key is to approach these unconventional mediums with an open mind and a willingness to experiment. Embrace the unexpected, and allow the unique properties of the wood to guide your creative process. Who knows what extraordinary works of art you might uncover? Overcoming creative challenges, addressing common obstacles, and providing problem-solving strategies. As you embark on your wooden art journey, it's important to be prepared for the occasional creative challenge. After all, the path to mastery is paved with both successes and learning experiences. Let's discuss some common hurdles and explore strategies to help you overcome them. One of the most prevalent obstacles is the fear of making mistakes. It's natural to feel apprehensive about ruining a perfectly good piece of wood, but it's important to remember that mistakes are often the stepping stones to innovation. Embrace the mindset of a curious explorer, and view each mistake as an opportunity to find a unique solution. Another challenge that many wooden artists face is the limitations of their tools and equipment. Whether it's the size of your workspace, the capabilities of your power tools, or the availability of specialized equipment, these constraints can feel daunting. However, these limitations can also inspire creative problem-solving and the development of unexpected techniques. Patience and persistence are also key when working with wood. Certain processes, such as intricate carving or achieving a flawless finish, can require time and dedication. It's crucial to approach your projects with a calm and focused mindset, allowing the wood to guide you through the process. Finally, don't underestimate the value of continuous learning and experimentation. Seek out workshops, online tutorials, and the guidance of experienced woodworkers to expand your knowledge and skill set. Embrace the journey of growth, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. That's where the true magic happens. Remember, every challenge you overcome, every new technique you master, and every piece of wooden art you create will contribute to your overall growth as an artist. Believe in your abilities, stay curious, and let the natural beauty of wood be your muse. Showcasing your wooden art. Discussing ways to share and promote your wooden art creations. As you pour your heart and soul into your wooden art projects, it's only natural to want to share your masterpieces with the world. In this segment, we'll explore various avenues to showcase your creations and inspire others with your unique artistic vision. One of the most accessible platforms for sharing your wooden art is social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube offer an excellent opportunity to connect with a global community of makers, woodworkers, and art enthusiasts. Showcase your work through stunning photographs, engaging videos, and captivating stories that capture the essence of your creative process. Another way to gain exposure and recognition for your wooden art is by participating in local art shows, craft fairs, or even online marketplaces. These venues not only allow you to connect with potential customers but also provide valuable feedback and networking opportunities with other artists and art lovers. If you're looking to take your wooden art to the next level, consider submitting your pieces to juried art exhibitions or competitions. These prestigious platforms can help elevate your work, increase its visibility, and even lead to prestigious awards or commissions. Beyond traditional showcasing methods, you can also explore the world of public art installations. Work with local municipalities, community centers, or businesses to have your wooden sculptures, wall art, or large-scale installations displayed in high-traffic areas, where they can inspire and delight the masses. Regardless of the approach you choose, remember that the ultimate goal is to share your passion and creativity with the world. Embrace the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals, receive valuable feedback, and potentially even earn income from your wooden art endeavors. So, get ready to unleash your wooden art creations and let them shine bright, inspiring and captivating all who come across them. While wood is the primary focus, don't be afraid to incorporate other materials into your wooden art. Experimenting with media like metal, glass, resin, or even textiles can add depth, contrast, and visual interest to your pieces. For example, you could embed shards of colored glass into a wooden sculpture, creating a mesmerizing interplay of light and shadow. Or, you could combine wood with delicate copper or brass elements to achieve an elegant, industrial-inspired aesthetic. The key is to thoughtfully integrate these additional materials in a way that enhances the overall artistic expression, rather than overshadowing the natural beauty of the wood. Exploring distressing and aging techniques. One of the most captivating aspects of working with wood is the inherent character and imperfections that come with the material. Embracing and accentuating these natural qualities can lead to truly unique and visually striking wooden art. Consider experimenting with distressing techniques, such as sanding, burning, or using chemical agents, to create the illusion of age, weathering, and wear. This can lend an air of rustic charm and give your pieces a sense of history and authenticity. Alternatively, you could explore techniques like wire brushing, chipping, or even intentional water damage to achieve a similarly weathered, time-worn appearance. The results can be both beautiful and thought-provoking, inviting viewers to ponder the stories behind your creations. Incorporating kinetic and interactive elements. To take your wooden art to the next level, consider incorporating kinetic or interactive elements that engage the viewer in a more dynamic way. For instance, you could design a wooden sculpture with moving parts, like gears or pulleys, that visitors can manipulate to see the piece in motion. Or, you could create wooden wall hangings or sculptures that respond to touch, sound, or even environmental changes, offering an immersive and engaging experience. By introducing these interactive components, you can tap into the senses and encourage your audience to become active participants in the artistic process, fostering a deeper connection with your work. Embracing asymmetry and organic forms. While symmetry and geometric precision can be visually striking, don't be afraid to embrace the natural irregularity and organic forms inherent in wood. Embrace the imperfections, knots, and unique grain patterns as sources of inspiration. Experiment with asymmetrical compositions, fluid shapes, and biomorphic forms that capture the dynamic, ever-changing nature of the material. This approach can result in pieces that feel more alive, emotive, and true to the essence of the wood.